Alrighty, now let's go ahead and start. Actually, here in the messages, we want to start loading our real conversations that we just created with our new matches. So for that, let's go to our editor. In here, we can open our tabs. This one, the component. In here at the bottom after the matches, here let's get conversations. Here it's going to be auth user conversations. I'm going to say get. Let's pass these conversations to our blade here. Add comma conversations pointer to $ conversations. Alright. Now after doing that, now let's go to our blade here. Open tabs, the blade. Here we can close the header, close this aside matches. Here, want these messages aside. Here we have a list, so we can simply, let's just shorten this. Here we can remove this for, remove the for down, and then up here add for each. Here conversations as $I, cut that, paste that down here, the for each. In here we're just going to show the name and latest message. So for example, right here in the fake name, we can say conversation get receiver. Remember, before we created this relationship to get the other user in this conversation who is not us currently. Receiver name, and then in here in the fake text we can remove that. In here, conversation messages, make that the new query, question mark latest first, again question mark pointer to body. So if there is no message, it will just show empty, or else gonna bring us the latest message that was sent. Right, now if we go and refresh, right here we have this error undefined code. Oh, actually I realize we have not yet created our conversations relationship. So let's go to our user model. Here let's create a relationship for user. User can have many conversations. Here public function conversations, return this has many conversation model. In the foreign ID we have to specify because it is not user ID. User ID is done automatically by Laravel, but here it's different, so we have to specify it. Here say sender ID. Since there are two users in the conversation, so we have to specify the other relationship, which is or where receiver ID is this ID. Alright, now if we go, the error should refresh, the error should be gone. Alright, awesome. Now you can see here the user is Stacy. If I go to the matches, here the match is also Stacy. So we have a match and a conversation with this user. Now there's no last message here because I've not yet created the last message. Alright, awesome. Now if I refresh, if you go back to the home, yes, it's still gonna show up here. So if we refresh, that's awesome. So I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.